Ow. This is gorilla tag. It's like infection, where lava monkeys are infected, and their goal is to tag other monkeys. When everyone's infected, the round is over. Now you see the rules of the game? Throw them in the trash, because we did not play the game like you're supposed to. But before we begin, this is a new channel and it would mean the world to me if you subscribed. And without further ado, here's the video. Hey, with me now. YMCA. You ever play Yahtzee? Because everybody has it, but I haven't met one person that's played it.
I've never played it. And I can guarantee I have it. I don't play it. And I don't plan on playing it.
You ever, like, the Scrabble? Where you play it like once or twice, and then you just don't play it again?
I played it once. That I can remember. Like, I have it in that random cabinet over there.
Yeah. It just, oh! What?
Sorry, sliding monkey.
Whee! I'm so happy. Nothing could ruin this moment.
I found
Oh, no.
Not the monkey.
Is it pronounced banana or bona? Wait. So guys, we called this meeting together today to talk about no longer having trampolines in the workplace. I know it's very hard to let go of the things that you love, but
Hey, you think he's serious?
I don't know. I've never touched a trampoline.
I don't know what those are.
Hola.
hola, me llamo es monkey. Ow. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the rock, paper, scissors semifinals against Osama bin Laden and Waf. On my mark, get set, go!
Rock. Paper.
Scissor. Shoot.
Hey!
Backflip right now.
Okay. Monkey. I'm gonna lay here for a second. Oh! Hey, do a flip.
I'll do something even better.
Parkour.
Yo, he's a Beyblade. Look at him go. Come on, children. Everybody
I can't
gather
really
up.
guard during
Everybody
story time.
gather up. Okay,
Oh,
okay. Here we go. There once was a gorilla who was so ugly that everybody died. The end.
Oh,
We told you to tell us a
So
story, not a
relatable.
life story.
Someone one tweet.
Not to ruin your childhood or
Hey.
anything, but before Tarzan met Jane, he was definitely dating monkeys.
Oh no.
Come here.
hey, we gotta hold court. Hold on. I will state my case.
Okay.
This man tried to touch me for no reason. He is lava. I am not lava. I did
That's
nothing
pretty
to.
racist.
That's pretty racist.
He take my banana. Lava bad.
All lava
That
bad?
is unacceptable in this society.
Not all lava.
Wait,
bad.
wait.
Not
wait.
all lava bad. He lava bad.
I want to give my defense. I guess I'm the offended. I don't know. Monkey eat my banana last week. I eat his banana this week.
My
Then
banana.
he assaults my family, hits him with the car, and runs over the nearest Dairy Queen.
Hand away from me. No.
Osama, do you
Amen.
have a rebuttal?
He take my
Ye-
banana first. That he take my banana first.
So
Cause
he takes
violence towards
banana
his
and
family.
you run over family.
Look
So
at
it
his
is equal.
beautiful face. Think of his children.
Hold on, I'm getting a call. Hold on.
Monkey escaping. Get him.
Monkey.
No,
Ryan!
no, I am on the phone.
Okay. Okay, let them take phone call. It
We'll
may
stick in
be
the butt.
Nigerian
Okay.
prince giving him money.
I get phone shy. You need to look away.
You have a beautiful face. I like it.
Beautiful.
Hey, where'd the monkey go?